Hello there, this is deBard, also Alexander Montahan, and we didn't even go into Darthon Songweaver yet. We'll start with him tomorrow, hopefully. Hopefully I can get this done. Anyway, also the Mage Mayhem, and this is how you'd find me in the priestly guise as actually deBard. That's usually how I'm hired, and my job is to basically do whatever someone needs for their religious, spiritual, or holistic, if you will, their stuff, their events, their ceremonies, etc. It's been fun. I can't wait to get back into it. It's been several years now. But regardless, we're here right now to talk a moment about the fantasy side of things. What I like to call theoretical theologies, made up religions. Now, I just picked this up recently, and we're going to take a look at this. I had a pointy pen here. I don't want to use a pointy finger. Here we go. A pointy vein. But, if you will, I'm going to move over here. I will need the glasses to see this itty bitty screen here. But let me show you basically what I have concocted about this. Get it to where you can see it here. Now what you have, we're going to start at really the beginning and the end of things. But you see two circles here, two circles here. Now, these circles on the outside mean completeness of all things. And this inner circle, in both cases, is the one upon death becoming a part of the whole. The one person returns to the universe. We don't know exactly how, but however, that's how it works. This is your path there, and it shows you the ups and downs and the windy paths that we all must carry as we're passing on finally to a stairwell to whatever lies in the great beyond. Now, that's my theology. I would like to know, do you recognize this? Can you see this? Let me see. Here, let's get it to where you can see it. There you go. Do you recognize it? This is from Pirates of the Caribbean. I had just made up everything about that, and with all the research I can do, looks like they just made it up too. But that's how you go about just comparing, looking at, and creating religions as you like.